How to fix server maintenance underway error in eFootball. This message usually appears when the game servers are temporarily offline for maintenance or updates. In this video, I'll show you a few things you can check. First, make sure you're using the latest version of eFootball. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for eFootball, and install any available updates. Running an outdated version of the game can sometimes prevent you from connecting to the servers. Next, check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, or if you're on mobile data, switch to a stable Wi-Fi network. Then completely close the game and open it again. If the error still appears, restart your phone and try launching the game once more. Now, if you're still seeing server maintenance underway, it's most likely because Konami servers are currently under maintenance or experiencing temporary issues. In that case, there isn't a fix on your device. You'll simply need to wait until the maintenance is complete and then try again later. Avoid reinstalling the game unless there's a specific issue with the installation, as it usually won't resolve a server maintenance message. And that's how you can troubleshoot the server maintenance underway error in eFootball on both Android and iPhone.